The coming month, I will lead you through the final journey of this chakra series. You will experience the great activation of the Sahasrara or the crown plexus. This activation is a great blessing where your entire brain would become activated. Whole brain activation happens when there is a synchronization across various regions of the brain. This automatically takes the brain into a high frequency gamma wave mode where your brain is beating above 30 CPS. At this state, you experience a profound compassion for all living beings. Beyond this, your brain also moves into great coherence. It beats at a higher gamma wave frequencies and you experience a state of oneness. During manifest, you will experience the magnificence of your consciousness. You will glimpse the great state of oneness. This realization and experience of oneness would percolate into every aspect of your life and it would nurture it and would give it life. You become a compassionate human being, bringing compassion into each and every role that you are required to play in life. This manifest would also fill you with powerful beginning energies for the new year. Every new year is a new beginning. It is ending an old cycle and the beginning of a new cycle. That is why it is important that within you also, in your mind and in your consciousness, old destructive cycles, negative thinking, suffering states come to an end. It is only on this fertile soil of beautiful, powerful consciousness can you plant the seed of heartfelt intention and your vision. Your beginning energies are very important for these seeds of intentions and vision to thrive and bear fruits in the coming new year. This manifest would be very powerful. You will have Shri Krishna Ji come to this manifest and lead you on this powerful awakening in your consciousness. And it is an incredible opportunity for every one of you to receive the Diksha from Shri Krishna Ji.